For us to account for the resources that we receive, we have to have systems to track every penny. That is on the financial management side. Then we need to have systems to ensure that the impact and the activities are recorded.
To address this challenge and unlock financing
regularly, so that board members should be able to, be conversant with the corporate governance issues and how they can properly provide their oversight role to the organization.
The support was intended to address the gaps that we identified during the self-assessment form. So these gaps were to do with organizational governance, structure, as well as communities and linkages.
You could further use the project support to improve how it collects and manages data, a development that has improved its capacity to address mental health challenges in data and other project areas.
This Catalyst Fund has helped us to generate mental health data, which is going to help us in terms of sourcing funds with regards to mental health, that is from the Civil Society Strengthening Fund or even from other donors.
The training also helped the institutions better align their development initiatives with the goals and objectives of the donors.
We were able to look at the organization, the strengths and weaknesses, and even the gaps that are there. So some of the areas that were identified are issues of policy, issues of maybe M&E, issues of even human resource, financial management, the governance, and all aspects that the organization needs to focus on. So some of the areas were being identified, and what we are doing to implement is to align ourselves to donor requirements.
6 months from the launch of the Catalyst Fund, these little pockets of change in the institutional setup and governance structures in local CSOs have unlocked funding opportunities for CSOs, much like they did for CBNRM.
The most big funding that maybe we had for a year has been maybe 20 million, 21 million, the largest grant that we have had. But just immediately when we carried out and completed this exercise, we have so many grants. As we are talking, there is that Oxfam in Malawi, where we are implementing a project in Mchinji. Just 3 months, they gave us 28 million plus. We have even Saved the Children. They came also in August to do the capacity assessment. They have given us a grant for 18 months, 67 million per child.
The organization is membership based, so we mobilize resources within the community and of course from members of our diaspora. So in 2020 we had
Welcome to